The mainstream media brainwashes people into thinking that Iranian people are bad. But if you actually go to Iran, you'll find friendly and educated people who love to talk about America. This video is in no way a political statement. I hope you enjoy. What is your name?
Habib.
Habib?
Habib.
I'm Philip. Where would you like to go in America?
California رو می‌بینیم و حال دوست داریم.
California.
I'm from California. What would you say to Americans to encourage them to come to Iran?
خب بیان ببینن ایران رو که یه سری تبلیغات سوی هم که میکنن و بیان متوجه بشن که نه اون تبلیغات سویی که میکنن دروغه همش.
He says in Iran there are tons of things you can visit and enjoy, but unfortunately because of the propaganda, well, it's just showing a negative image of Iran. But it's not like that. If you come here, you will know it for yourself.
For sure.
He said Iranian people love American people, and everything is good, and it's just the politicians who don't get along.
Not Mazda.
He says his children watch American movies, comparing it to British ones. He says they don't like British accents at all. They prefer American ones.
Somebody told me that today as well.
He says in England they talk so classy and as if they are in a like a seminar or something like that. But Americans talk freely, much easier.
Yes, and we talk very fast.
More friendly. Yeah.
People, US are very, very, very good.
USR?
US are.
You like Biden?
Tehran. Yes.
Trump good? Yeah, Joe Biden. Joe Biden good? No.
Nobody good.
Nobody good? Not.
Welcome to Iran.
I like it here.
Me too.
Have you ever driven an American tourist before?
No.
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 You speak English very well.
No.
Yes. Where did you learn how to speak English so well?
In high school.
Do you ever watch any American television or movies?
Movies, yes.
What's your favorite American movie?
Matrix.
The Matrix?
Yes.
Have you seen them all? There's many of them.
Yes. All of them.
What about Shrek?
Yes.
You like Shrek?
Yes. Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How about Frozen?
Frozen. Yes.
Do you know the song from Frozen? Let it go, let it go.
Hello, how are you? Very much thank you. Hello, how are you? Very much thank you. Hello, how are you? Very much thank you.
اصفهان پر از هنرمند است.
آلمان آمریکا بگو تو پاسپورتم هم گفتم بزنید دوست دارم بیام آمریکا.
2 days ago he got his passport and when they asked him where do you want to go he said Iraq, Germany and America.
Where in America? What state?
کالیفرنیا، لس آنجلس، سان فرانسیسکو.
What is your name?
من ابوالفضل.
Very nice to meet you. I'm Philip. What do you think about America?
خیلی عالیه، خوبه، آزاده.
It's great. Why is it great?
الکی برای خودشون یه قانونایی الکی ندارن.
He says no one bothers anyone over there, and the laws are good, and everything is perfect.
Everything is not perfect in America.
Yeah.
Trust me. You just asked me if I have a child. He's right here.
Oh,
What do you think?
fantastic!
Fantastic?
Fantastic, yes.
Yeah, don't throw him away! His name is Beaker.
Big car.
Do I look like Beaker?
Yes.
Like father, like son. One more thing. On my channel, I show the good people of countries the media tells us are bad. And with your support, I will continue to places like Syria and hopefully Palestine. So please subscribe to help me spread positivity.
Welcome to Iran.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
He said, is it true that when in Europe or America people see Iranians, they say those blackheads are here in a way to disrespect them?
I've never heard that before. Where did he hear that?
هم ایرانیه میگه.
There was an Iranian guy who said that Europeans and Americans call Iranians blackhead.
Never heard that before.
You must understand.
Okay. Thank you for playing Taxi Cab Confessions. Besides Isfahan, of all the cities in Iran, what is your favorite place?
رشت.
Rasht. I'm going to Rasht. I'll say that Habib says hello. There we go.
Okay.
Habib.
Okay.
See you next time. What about American music? Michael Jackson?
I know Michael Jackson, Taylor Swift,
Taylor Swift? Very good.
Madonna.
What about Justin Timberlake?
Justin Timberlake? Yes, yes.
What's your favorite Justin Timberlake song? I'm gonna rock your body all day. Dance with me. Don't be so quick to walk away. Like that one?
Yes.
How's my singing?
Oh, very good.
No,
very
it's
good.
not. What do you think of my friend?
عالیه درجه یک
He's from Los Angeles.
جدی
His name? Yeah.
خیلی قشنگه جذابه
He's very beautiful.
از من یه عکس باش بگیرم
Beaker.
بیکه خیلی عالیه خیلی درجه یک قشنگه
great.
کاراکتر قشنگی داره
He says he believes Beaker has a good character.
He does. So do you, my friend. Thank you.
خیلی ممنون زنده عزیزی
What is Azizi?
You are dear.
Ah, thank you. Very nice to meet you. Bye. What's your favorite place in Iran that is not Isfahan? Shiraz?
Yes.
More beautiful than Isfahan?
No.
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 What about Kerman?
Not bad.
What about California? Would you like to go to America?
Yes.
Which city would you like to go to? New York? Los Angeles?
No different.
No, they're all very different. It's like the difference between Kerman and Tehran. Very different.
Oh.
Yeah. Are you saying that every US city is the same?
تقریبا ما که ندیدم یعنی دیگه
I
اینجوری
haven't seen it, but I think so.
What about Las Vegas?
شنیدیم دربارش ولی اینجوری که ما شنیدیم زیاد به دردی ما
He's heard of Las
نمی‌خوره.
Vegas?
He's heard about Las Vegas, but the things he's heard, well, based on those, he thinks it's not good for him.
It's not good for you.
No.
No. High five.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't
yes.
kill us.
Yes.
High five.
Five it.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
خوش
Been a
اومد.
pleasure.
Welcome to Iran. خوش اومد.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.
There's so many more stories to tell from my 24 days in Iran. Have you heard of the Lut Desert? How about the stone houses of Kandavan? Please subscribe to see these and more incredible places like Isfahan, Kerman, Behestan Castle, Shiraz, Persepolis, and Artable. Not to mention the mouth-watering Iranian food. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
He says he loves Trump.
It's time to leave the taxi.